Hello everybody, what's up? This is Abu and welcome to your fourth C++ tutorial. To those of you who are watching this, I'm glad you made it this far because some people actually give up so early in like the third tutorial. But it takes I'm telling you right now, it takes a lot of courage to actually go through this because it ain't easy, man. It is not easy. So yeah, this tutorial I'm gonna be talking about variables. Now variables, let me tell you right now, variables are like the most fundamental things about programming. Like without variables, your programs are will be so shady, straight up, so damn shitty. I'm telling you, like it's nothing. So yeah, what variables are, like if you remember, like from math, maybe elementary school or something, um you got stuff like x and y. Like you want to find, like they give you y, like y has a value of 5 and they ask you to find x from some other number plus y, the value of y. So y So x and y are basically variables. They temporarily store values, like they temporarily store data. So it's just the same thing in computer programming. Variables temporarily store data in the computer's memory until the program, maybe the program dies, or after a function is completed and stuff like that. Yeah. So that's what variables are. So I'm gonna start off by typing some code, of course. I already started out and I didn't type any code, but now I'm gonna I'm gonna do some hands-on with some code and show you guys what I'm talking about. So variables have data types. Like each variable has a data type. It means what type of data it can store. We have integer variables, like and integers are are whole numbers, if you're really familiar with math. And we have float are decimals, and string string is um we talked about string last in the previous tutorial. It's characters, and we a series of characters actually, because we also have car, which is only a single character. So in order to declare a variable, we first of all we type in the data type int, and then the variable name, let's say num1, and then we finish it off with the semicolon as always. Okay, so there's also something else about variables. You can actually initialize its value in the same line. Like you can say int num1 is equal to 5. That means it automatically has a value 5. Like as soon as the program starts, it automatically has the value num1 automatically has the value of 5 in it. So, but you could, they're called variables because you can change them later on in the program. So yeah, that's why they're called variables. Um, so if we want to output the value of a variable, not the name, the value, we say cout num1. That's it. It's not gonna output text num1, but it's gonna output 5, the value that's stored in num1. Run, and voila, 5. So yeah, so that's how you output variables. It's just straightforward. It's just that simple. So okay, so let's just make a very basic calculator by defining by initializing other variables. Num2 is equal to 2, and int sum is equal to num1 plus num2. So what this means, it means that it's basically saying, like, declare a variable called sum with a data type, declare a variable called sum, okay, with a data type called with a data type integer, int, and then you take the values of num1 and num2, you add them up, and then you store it inside of sum. So if you know how to add, like 5 plus 2, you will know that the value that's going to be stored in sum is going to be 7. So if we say cout sum right now, we shall get 7. Believe it or not, we got 7. Believe it or not. So yeah, that's the thing about, that's how variables work, and that's how variables work. And we're gonna be, later on in more advanced programming in my tutorials, I'm gonna be doing a lot of stuff with variables, like really bad stuff. I'm gonna be so nasty, I'm telling you. So better be prepared. But I'm not trying to scare you guys off though. I'm just saying that, I'm just letting you guys know that variables, you can do so much with variables, not just, giving values and output them. You can do so much more. And yeah, so that's 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 it for this tutorial. I mean, I guess, yeah, it is. So next tutorial, I don't know what it's gonna be on, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be really good. So don't miss out. So don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, everything, and bye bye.